I'm going to show you how to download the plugin for importing from QuickBooks Desktop to Tax 1099. You'll sign into your Tax 1099 using its own internet web browser. You'll go to Import, QuickBooks Desktop. We're going to click on the plugin. When you get here, you'll see the big button here. There is installation instructions down here. You'll click Download Now. When you get the zipped file, this is a good time to go and close your QuickBooks Desktop. It cannot be open while you're installing the plugin. So yes, you're going to close the QuickBooks Desktop. Closing. And it's closed. If it takes a long time to close, you can always do the task bar kill task. To close it. There it is. Open. We're going to kill any QuickBooks Desktop. There it is. End task. There it goes. Okay. From our downloads, now that it has been, we're going to go to downloads and we're going to right click the zipped file so we can extract all. Very important step. Once we extract it, we'll be able to open the file. When you open the file, you'll see these two in here. You're going to right click the half circle, this right here, the QuickBooks plugin. Right click it and also run as administrator. At this point, make sure that QuickBooks Desktop is closed. Normally, you'll get this pop-up. It's okay. You're going to click More Info and run anyway. When you get this pop-up, say yes. There's a wizard and a prerequisite that it will install by itself. You let them do their thing. You can click modify if it's been already before and click install. Once you see this, click finish. It is giving you that certificate notification. It will come up once we open QuickBooks. Finish. And now we're going to be able to right click our QuickBooks Web Connector If you don't have it on your screen or the customer does not have it on the screen, drag and drop it from here to make it a screen icon so you can right click and run as administrator. Yes. You will only have to do this step when you first install the plugin. You won't be required to do it for any other companies, just the first time you install it. You must sign in. You must be admin or a single user mode. You can grant these permissions. As soon as you sign in and it loads, you should be met with that certificate. This is when you know you've correctly installed the plugin. There it is. So we're always going to select these permissions. Always the third one down, yes, whenever this QuickBooks company file is open, and the square checkbox. Allow this application to access personal data such as social security numbers and customer credit card information. Click continue and done to this last pop-up. Now, since we followed all the correct steps, you should have a brand new button here that was not there before. Under vendors, you'll have tax1099.com/eFile. You will upload 1099 data. You will type in your tax 1099 credentials. Select the tax year. I'm going to go with 2024 and the form type. We're going to stick with NEC. Click log in. And it is normal for it to think for a little bit. You'll see a pop-up showing you what it's pulling, and then the system will pull up and populate your tax 1099 account. Here we go. This is our import grid. You see good data, missing data. So the red dots must be fixed. This is my payer. Let's start with my recipient. I have multiple locations saved, so I must put a client ID number. When you are updating this information, you want to make sure that you don't leave this page. If you leave this page, you will be having to redo all this because it won't save. It won't sync until we get to the very next page. So let's say this is my last one. And Arkansas. I've updated all my recipients and I checked my amounts. This is all correct, and I can double check this by checking the summary, the 1099 summary inside of QuickBooks Desktop. But my payer is still red, meaning I still have to update some data here. I'm going to click. Oh, it's the phone number. There it is. That's required. Save. Oh, disregarded entity. And save. My information has been updated successfully. This is what you want to see, all green dots. You're going to select all, scroll down, and hit next for your forms to actually save in your account. So I've got 6 records uploaded successfully. Here are my created forms. Any forms that I've created for this payer will add to this list and just continue here. And these forms are not yet submitted to the IRS. They're just created, waiting for you to take the next step. It's inside of your Tax 1099 account.